The world of UI design is constantly evolving. New tools emerge to enhance creativity, streamline workflows, and bridge the gap between design and development. Today, we're exploring 3 groundbreaking tools that every modern designer needs to know. First up, we have Penpot, the world's first open-source design and prototyping tool that brings designers and developers together in one seamless platform. With Penpot, real-time collaboration is front and center, allowing multiple team members to work on the same project from anywhere at the same time. Designers can create stunning UI mockups, while developers can easily export SVG assets for production-ready code, streamlining the design to development workflow. Penpot's cross-platform flexibility means you can work on your designs from any device, making it accessible to teams and individuals alike. And as an open-source tool, it's constantly evolving, powered by a growing community of users and contributors. Next, we have Plasmic, a powerful tool designed to bridge the gap between design and production-ready code. It allows designers to visually build complex UIs that can be directly exported into frameworks like React, Vue, or Next.js. What makes Plasmic unique is its ability to seamlessly integrate design and development. Whether you're designing interactive components or creating entire layouts, Plasmic lets you export fully functional code with the click of a button. Designers can focus on crafting beautiful, responsive interfaces while ensuring their work is ready for production. Plasmic's interface allows for real-time design changes and instant previews, so you can quickly iterate on your ideas. Once your design is ready, you can easily export production-ready code with support for popular frameworks like React and Vue. And now for something truly magical: Magician by Uizard. This AI-powered tool lets you transform your hand-drawn sketches into digital wireframes in seconds. Simply upload your sketch, and Magician turns it into interactive, editable designs that are ready to be refined and prototyped. For rapid ideation and prototyping, Magician brings unparalleled speed and ease. It's perfect for designers who want to transform rough ideas into polished designs, or for anyone who enjoys brainstorming on paper but needs a quick way to digitize their concepts. Let's compare these 3 powerful design tools. Penpot is your go-to for open-source collaboration. It's perfect for teams that need seamless handoffs between designers and developers, thanks to its real-time collaboration SVG export features. Plasmic shines when it comes to merging design with code. It allows you to create beautiful UI, exporting fully functional code for frameworks like React or Vue, making it easy to move from design to deployment. Lastly, Uizard's Magician is all about speed. Its AI-powered sketch to wireframe feature lets you transform rough sketches into polished designs in seconds, ideal for quick prototyping. Each tool has its strengths, catering to different design processes and workflows. Thank you for exploring these innovative UI design tools with us. Whether you're a designer looking for collaboration, a developer needing production-ready code, or someone who values rapid prototyping, there's a perfect tool for your needs. If you're interested in UI UX design services, check out my Fiverr gig for tailored solutions to elevate your projects. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which tool are you excited to try? See you in the next video.